How people earn $1,350 per day using ChatGPT with Google Drive. Imagine making money 24/7 without selling physical product, without handle shipping, and without even leaving your house. Sound unbelievable, but it's real, and everyday people are doing it right now. Bailey Designed Co. is a perfect example. Bailey earned approximately $340,000 in revenue from her Etsy store, selling only digital products. She now averages about $14,000 per month in Etsy sales, plus an additional $13,000 per month from her membership site. And guess what? She did not even have to stock product, rent a warehouse, or ship in a single thing. It's all digital download, create once and so over and over again. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same using ChatGPT, Google Drive, and a simple Etsy strategy that anyone can start even with zero experience. Let's dive in. Step number 1. What is this business model? We're not selling t-shirts, we're not selling homemade craft. Instead, we are selling digital files, bundles of design like t-shirt graphics or anything else that people can instantly download after paying. And the best part, you can create hundreds of those designs in just minutes using free AI tools. And you don't need any art skills to get started. Step number 2, setting up. Visit Etsy.com and click on Sell on Etsy to get started. Number 2, set your shop to sell digital product. During the setup process, choose digital as your product type. This ensures your items are available for instant download after purchase. Number 3, name your shop. Pick a unique, memorable name that reflects your brand. Once your shop is set up, you are ready to sell digital product without the need for inventory or shipping. Step number 3, how to create the design. Number 1, open ChatGPT and ask for t-shirt design suggestion. Try prompt like cool core teammate t-shirt ideas, funny quotes for t-shirt, aesthetic or trending, Gen Z, phrase. You can choose anything that fits your niche. Number 2, use Leonardo AI or Runaway ML to turn those ideas into real images. Number 3, save all of those designs to your computer. Tips: create at least 1,000 designs to offer big value to buyers. Step number 4, upload everything to Google Drive. Number 1, create a new folder in Google Drive. Number 2, upload all of your designs. Number 3, set up the folder to anyone with the link can view. This makes it super easy for buyers to instantly download their purchase. Step number 5, sell it on Etsy. Number 1, create a product listing on Etsy. Number 2, add a few simple images showing your design. Number 3, write a catchy description. You can even ask ChatGPT to help. When someone buys your pack, they automatically receive a PDF file with the Google Drive link to download the design. No messaging, no shipping, all on autopilot. Step number 6, scale it up. Once you start making sales, here's how to grow. Number 1, create more theme design bundle example, funny quotes, vintage, cars, Halloween themes. Number 2, offer a monthly subscription for new design. Number 3, build an email list of buyers. Number 4, expand to other platforms like Redbubble, Gumroad, Zazzle. Imagine having 100 plus customers paying you every month without extra work. This simple method can turn into real passive income if you stay consistent. No expensive gear, no complicated skills, just a smart system, free tools, and a little time. Don't wait, start today. Your future self will thank you. Hit that like button if you learned something new. Subscribe for more easy money ideas and comment down below if you are ready to start. And you can also check my other video, how to start a YouTube automation business step by step. You can also check the link in the description box down below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace. Bye.